This is Blades and More with a review of this Artisan Cutlery Archaeo smaller size folding pocket knife. Artisan makes a couple of different sizes of this Archaeo, and this is the smaller version with a G10 curved handle. They also make a carbon fiber handle model that's in this small version that has a flat carbon handle. This model comes in around $58. The carbon fiber handle model's around $50. And then they make some larger versions that have different blade material and handle materials that come in around the $160, $80 price range. But this smaller curved handle version is just a nice little piece. It has D2 blade material, G10 handle material. It is smaller in that it is 7.04 inches overall length, so it's around 7 inches when open. The closed length, or the handle length, is 3.98 inches, or almost 4 inches. The blade length is 3.07 inches. It's a D2 blade material with a drop point blade design, flat grind with a plain edge. There's a larger sharpening choil, not large enough to be a finger choil. And there's a thumb hole opening on the blade, but it's really, you can use it for two-hand opening, but not for one-hand opening, really. The opening method is a flipper tab that has heavy jimping on it. Knife opens very nicely, has ceramic ball bearings. Has a nice orange highlighting around the bolster. It's a G10 handle material that is lightly textured and very nicely sculptured. Has heavy jimping on the thumb ramp of the blade and jimping on the stainless steel liner. The liners are not skeletonized, stainless steel liners with a liner lock. Locks up very nicely. It is a tip-up carry design with the ability to place the stainless steel carrying clip on the back side or the front side of the handle for right or left-hand carry. The blade is centered perfectly in the handle. It has a spacer in the back of the handle that has a space in it with a stud going across for a lanyard tie. It's a rather unusual design. The knife is lightweight and it comes in at a little under 2.5 ounces, 2.47 ounces. D2 blade material, G10 handle material. It's a cool little piece. Love it. I brought in another one of Artisan Cutlery's pieces, and it's the Orthodox. This is also the smaller version of the Orthodox. Also a cool piece. This is the Orthodox. Back to the Archaeo. If you're looking for a smaller size EDC that would hide away in your pocket very easily, built with nice quality, the D2 blade material, G10 handle material. This could just fit your ticket. So there we go, everybody. It is the Artisan Cutlery Archaeo, smaller version with the curved G10 handle. All right, thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you back again soon. Bye now.